Hey class, this is Mr. Strable. If you're watching this, that means you've missed our class for September 9th. So I'm going to go over quickly what we did in class today so you can help catch yourself up. So first thing, I'm going to look at our daily objectives for the day. So there were different videos that are posted on your Canvas, and each class period had a different video to look at. Just going over different details of Canvas. So you just find whichever one was for your class period. Watching will give you some information about Canvas and different tools, interesting things you can use while on the Canvas project, Canvas website. All right. We also talked about our syllabus today. So our syllabus is, again, what our rules and procedures are for a class and tells us different information. So quickly, just some information here. It's got my email address, which is the greatest way to contact me if you need anything. My office hours are 12 to 1 on Fridays, so that's when I'm going to be available for, like, if you need any help on an assignment that you might need to catch up on, I'll be able to get on Zoom and help you with that. But you can email me anytime, and I'm pretty good at getting response to you as soon as possible, so you don't have to wait till only that time. But the 12 to 1 o'clock on Fridays is going to be your best bet if you want to meet over Zoom to go over stuff. You'll find course description, the goals for class, our grading policies. So grades work where the tests make up 40% of your grade, quizzes make up 30%, and all other classwork and assignments make up the last 30%. So as long as you do well on everything, it's pretty balanced on what counts and what doesn't count. Then there's other expectations and procedures. So you go through that and figure out what you need to do on your end to be successful. All right. And again, there's different ways to contact me. Email is best. And there's a Remind app that your parents can use that the school division is setting up. And once that gets done, I can send that out. It's just a way to send like quick text through an app to me if your parents have any questions. All right. And the last thing we went over today is IXL. So the syllabus and IXL can both be found on your LMS page. There's links to them. Now the IXL, you can't just go to IXL.com. There's a very specific login you have to go to. So that link is provided to you on my view page, on my LMS page. So when you log on to IXL, it should look like this. It'll have the WJCC logo. Now your username is going to be your first initial and last initial, and then the last 5 digits of your student ID code. And your password is your student ID code. So when you log in, let's see if I remember my password. When you log in, it's going to take you to, should take you to a screen that looks like Learning. It's not going to take you to a dashboard because that's for the teachers. All right, and define the specific topics because you can go through here and look. But define the topics that I want you to do or practice when assigned. You click on Recommendations. And then up in the top right, it's got a big star. It says 2 skills suggested by a teacher. And these are the topics that are going to help us with what we're going to be learning in class. All right. And then that's pretty much all you need to do for IXL. You go to it, and then it's going to just ask you questions, and you type in your answers. The score goes up if you get the questions right, goes down if you get it wrong. All right, so that is essentially what we did today on September 9th. If you have any other questions, feel free to email me. All right, have a good day.